Hello and welcome to Prep Cook Live. This is Mayuri Mudliar and today we're going to be making coconut beetroot fry, which is a South Indian recipe. And because beetroot is very good for health, you can try out this recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's begin to cook. I'm heating about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll just saute this for a minute and allow it to splutter in oil. I'm adding 1 finely chopped onion. This is a medium sized onion that I'm adding. We're just going to saute this in oil till it becomes a little translucent. Now to this I'm adding 2 finely chopped green chilies and 8 to 10 curry leaves. Curry leaves gives in a very good flavor for this, so try and add it if you can. We're going to just saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes more. Ensure the flame is low. And now I'm adding 2 beetroot. So what you have to do is, along with the skin, you boil the beetroot for about 5 to 7 minutes and then peel off the skin and cut them into pieces. Let's mix this in as well. We'll cook this for 5 minutes and then we'll add in our spices. So first I'm adding some salt for taste. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Red chili powder you can add as per the spice you want. I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Adding 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. And adding 1.5 teaspoon of sambar masala powder. Now I'm using a homemade one. You can also go ahead and use the sambar masala powder that you get in the market. This is an important ingredient to bring in flavor for this dish. Let's mix the spices. Now we're going to add some water. So this is 1 cup of water. I'm adding half a cup now and I'm going to use half a cup later. This also depends on how much your beetroot is cooked, or you need to cook it more in the pan. Then you'll have to add in water slowly, little by little in the further step. This is done. I'm going to cover this and cook this for some time. Here goes the lid. I'm going to cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Ensure the flame is low. Let's mix this once. Perfect. This looks nice. Now I'm going to add 2 more important ingredients to this. I'm adding some fresh coconut that I have grated. You can also blend this in a mixer, it's up to you. I'm using grated one. And I'm going to use about a spoon of chopped coriander leaves. And we're going to mix this in. Fresh coconut really brings in a very good flavor to this, And you might have seen fresh coconut, tamarind and curry leaves are some common ingredients that enhances the South Indian dishes flavor. Let's mix all of this together and we have to give this a final cook. So I'm adding the rest half water, half a cup of it. I'm going to mix it and we'll have to cook this very well, ensuring the beetroot is completely cooked. So let's put on the lid and on slow flame again I'm going to cook it for 10 more minutes. Let's check. This looks pretty much done to me. I'm still just going to mix it up once and check if the beetroot is cooked with the help of a fork. It should be soft and nice. I'm giving it a mix and I'm going to put the flame high to dry out the excess water in this. Beetroot is really healthy and has a lot of health benefits, skin benefits, but many of them do not like eating it raw in salad. So this is how you can eat it. This is one of my favorite recipes as well and tastes really good. You will fall in love with beetroot after trying this recipe. So do give it a try. Hope you like it. And if you have any queries or any suggestions, you can write to me in the comment box. And do give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it. And also subscribe to my channel. See you until next time in the kitchen of Prep Cook Live.